Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual classes provided by DAV Thermal. As you know, in previous lecture, we have finished beautiful poem My Mother, written by APJ Abdul Kalam. I hope all of you understood. Today we will start lesson 6, The Luncheon by Somerset Maugham. So first of all, we'll discuss about poet. W. Somerset Maugham was an eminent novelist, playwright, short story writer, travel writer, autobiographer, and essayist. He was one of the most popular writers in English in the 20th century and is noted for his clarity of style and skill in storytelling. His popular short stories include The Verger, The Ant and the Grasshopper, and Mr. Know All and The Traitor. Now we'll discuss about the story. This story is about a middle-aged woman who was very glutton. The story The Luncheon is full of subtle humor. The repeatedly claim of the woman that she hardly eats anything for lunch makes her look ridiculous, and she becomes the laughing stock of the reader as she eats like a glutton. Her intention to feed herself with expensive dishes at the cost of her host make her look mean. However, the narrator's disinterest in lunch and his suffering compels the reader to sympathize with him. On the whole, the story makes an engrossing reading. This is the nutshell summary of the lesson. Now we'll discuss what is the message of this story. The Luncheon gives the message that gluttony is a sin. Glutton means those who eat too much. Those who believe in enjoying dainty and extremely expensive dishes at the cost of others tends to overeat and eventually come to grief as they become victim of fatness. So what we have to learn? So one should avoid excessive eating. Okay, now the pre-reading task. In the pre-reading task, the first part, prepare an ideal diet chart for a teenager. Does it match with the actual diet you are taking? According to you, what is the ideal chart of diet chart? It means we have to take all these things: vegetables, fruits, cereals, milk products, etc. And the second part, what could be the possible consequences of not taking a balanced diet? So discuss with your partner. You have to write down the few reasons like that. Maybe sometime the reason for the health. Second is the hazardous problems may arise like weak bones, low weight, etc. And the third thing is that we have to prepare a list of etiquettes and table manners one must observe during a formal lunch in the family. What things we have to keep in mind while taking dinner or the lunch with the guest. The guest must be served first. We must ask our guests to start the lunch, serve them again and again, and always ask if they need something. And hands must be tidy and never munch loudly while eating food. I hope all of you clear this thing. So tomorrow we'll explain this lesson in detail. Thank you. Have a nice day. You have to read this lesson thoroughly at home and try to solve question answers.